In this video, we're going to learn how to find the place value of a digit. By looking at money and base 10 blocks in the previous lesson, which is linked below, we saw that each place in a number has a different value. For example, if we compare the value of the digit 3 in the numbers 310 and 783, the digit 3 in 310 is in the hundreds position and has a value of 300. The digit 3 in the number 783 is in the ones position, so it has a value of 3 ones, or we just say 3. A place value chart is a useful way to summarize this information. The place values are separated into groups of 3 called periods. The periods are named ones, thousands, millions, billions, trillions, and so on. You're welcome to learn or memorize the names of additional periods, but these names will get you through most numbers you will need to know. In a written number, whether it's using words or digits, commas will be used to separate the periods. Just as with the base 10 blocks, where the value of the tens rod is 10 times the value of the ones block, and the value of the hundreds square is 10 times the tens rod, the value of each place in the place value chart is 10 times the value of the place to the right of it. Now that we have a good understanding of place values and the place value system, we can look at a number and find the place value of each digit in that number. We'll use this place value chart to help us determine the value of each digit in these examples. But in your math career, you will need to have this chart memorized. It becomes easier to identify the value of digits and name the numbers the more you practice. Let's look at this number, which is read as 5,278,194. So we're going to look at each digit and find its value based on where it's located in this number. The first one is the digit 5. It's in the millions place. It has a value of 5 million. The digit next to it, 2, is in the hundred thousands place. It has a value of 200,000. The digit 7 is in the 10,000s place. Its value is 70,000. The digit 8 is in the thousands place. It has a value of 8,000. The 1 is in the hundreds place. It has a value of 100. The digit 9 is in the tens place. Its value is 90. And finally, the digit 4 is in the ones position, so it has a value of 4. Now we will move on to 3 additional examples where we'll be given a digit and it'll be our job to determine its value. Remember, a digit's value depends on its position or place in a number. We will use the chart again to help us along. This first example, find the place value of the given digits. The number is 579,601. Part A, looking for the digit 9. We see here it's in the thousands position. So this digit 9 has a value of 9,000. Part B, the digit 6. Looking at our number, we see it's in the hundreds position. So this digit 6 has a value of 600. C, 0, we see it's in the tens position. So it has a value of 0 tens. Part D, the digit 7, it's in the 10,000s position. So it has a value of 70,000. Part E, 5. That digit is in the 100,000s position. So it has a value of 500,000. Let's take a look at the next example. The number is a little larger, but the concept is still the same. So for number 2, we have 56,804,379. Part A, the digit 8. Looking at our number and our chart, we see that it's in the 100,000s position, which means this digit has a value of 800,000. Part B, the digit 6. The digit 6 is in the millions position, so that digit has a value of 6 million. Part C, the digit 4, it's in the thousands position, so it has a value of 4,000. Part D, the digit 7, it's in the tens position, so it has a value of 70. Part E, the digit 0, it's in the 10,000s position, so it has a value of 0, 10,000s, or just 0. It's a placeholder. So moving on to our last problem, we have 78,320,465. Part A is looking for that digit 8 and its value. It's in the millions position, so it has a value of 8 million. Part B, the digit 4, it's in the hundreds position, so it has a value of 400. Part C, the digit 2, it's in the 10,000s position, so it has a value of 20,000. Part D, the digit 6, it's in the tens position, so it has a value of 6 tens or 60. And finally, part E, the digit 7 is in the 10 millions position, so it has a value of 70 million. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.